Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to factor by grouping. And this won't always work, but I'm going to show you a few examples of ones where it will. With factor by grouping, I want you to factor out the greatest common factor from two different groups of the polynomial. Here I'm factoring out an x from the first part. You get x plus 5. And I'm factoring out a 6 from the second half. And you're also getting x plus 5. That only works if you have the same thing inside those parentheses. So you bring down your x plus 6 like that, and bring down your x plus 5, and there you have it. You're all done. Let's try another one. We're going to group the first pair together and the second pair together and factor out greatest common factor. Factor out an x from the first one, factor out 7 from the second one, and you'll notice you'll get x minus 4, and you'll also get x minus 4. So it will work here. So just bring down the x plus 7. You can multiply that times the x minus 4, and you're good to go. Let's go ahead and show that that's going to work. If I multiply x times x minus 4, and I'm multiplying 7 times x minus 4, that's the exact same thing that I had up there. So yes, that does work even if you're using FOIL or distribution, however you want to say it. Well, let's go ahead and try the third one. This one will work also. Group those together. Greatest common factor here is going to be 3x. Greatest common factor here, nothing goes into it except for 1, so you can factor out just a 1. Now, in the middle, in those parentheses, you're going to get x minus 5. And over here, you still have x minus 5, even though we factored out a 1. The exact same numbers inside the parentheses, so you bring down your 3x plus 1, bring down your x minus 5, and it's factored. Now, let's look at an example where it's not going to work. Now, always be aware that they're going to give you ones with 4 terms in the polynomial, and that you can try to do grouping. So you try to factor out greatest common factor from the first 2. That's going to be 3x. You get x minus 5. But when you try to factor out something from the second part, you can try to do the 1, but you're not going to get x minus 5. You're going to get 2x minus 5. Those don't add up. They don't match up. So you cannot use this method to be able to factor that. So no big deal. You'll have to try something else.